I'm gonna go out here and get a Dasani out of the garage fridge. The best water known to mankind. So we're gonna do that. Brookie's home. Here's the fridge. Here's all our empties. Yeah, we'll do a really good job putting in the trash can. All right, here we go. We got Bud Light. I don't really feel like drinking beer. Dasani. Oh, okay. Oh, Pepsi, baby! Really? Who puts the empty freaking Pepsi can back in the fridge? Dylan! Two of them! Are you kidding? Who puts empty cans back in the refrigerator? Oh, maybe there's one in the box. Maybe not. Oh my God. Stacia, we need to go to the store. Diet Coke. Oh, that one's empty too. Gotta go get some tap water.